If you've accidentally deleted messages on Hotels.com and need to recover them, follow these steps to attempt to retrieve your information. Step 1. Check your email. Look in your email inbox for any messages from Hotels.com. Often, confirmation and communication messages are sent to your registered email, which may contain the information you need. Step 2. Log into your account. Access your Hotels.com account by logging in with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Messages or Notifications section to see if any messages are still available. Step 3. Contact customer support. If you cannot find the messages in your account or email, reach out to Hotels.com customer support. Provide them with relevant details about your account and the messages you are trying to recover. Step 4. Check your device's message history. If you receive messages through a mobile app, check your device's message history. Some apps retain a history of notifications that may include the deleted messages. Step 5. Review backup options. If you regularly backup your device or use a cloud service, check if you have a backup that includes the Hotels.com app data. Restoring from a backup may help recover the deleted messages. In conclusion, while recovering deleted messages may not always be possible, following these steps can help you explore available options.